Hello everyone, my name is Selector and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn a new feature of CSS 2022 called Parent Selector. Before we start, don't forget to check our Instagram page, same name, same us, and thank you for love and support on our previous video. Now let's start with the demo. So if you see that I have two cards here, right? So in the first card, we have a card image and the card content. And the second image, second card, we have only and only card content, we don't have a card image. Okay, so what I want to do is, if the card image and card content both are there, then I want to display the image and content side by side. And if a card does not have an image, then I want to display the border top like this way, right? So how we used to do in the previous approach, right? So here, if you see that I have added a class modifier called class plain. And in this particular modifier, I apply the style called border top 4 pixel solid coral. But in this approach, there are two major problems. So first problem is that we have to add extra class here, right? And the second problem is that if someone forget to add this class modifier, then you will not get the output as per your requirement, right? So we can solve this problem using the parent selector. So let's see that how we can do this using the parent selector. So now if you see that I have removed the extra class, and second thing is that I'm removing the CSS for that class modifier. Now what I want to do is, if the card has card image, then I want to apply the different CSS, and if card does not have a card image, then I want to apply the different CSS. So now let's see how we can do in the CSS. So I'll apply the card has and card image, right? So what I can do is, if the card has card image, then I'll apply the style in this particular block, and if card not has card image, then I'll apply the style in this block. So if you see that in the card block, I have applied the display flags, gap 1 rem and align item here. So this style I want to apply only and only if card has an image. So I'll cut this particular code from here and I'll move that in this particular block, right? So you can see that I get my output as per my requirement. And if card not has card image, then I'll apply border top 4 pixel solid coral, and you can see that I get my output as per my requirement. Okay, so yeah, that's it in this video, and please share, like and subscribe for more content, and thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much. Bye.